Good afternoon. Welcome to Deb's True Crime Notebook. The following is the testimony and the transcript for Richard Allen's hearing. And we are going to take a look at the interview or examination by Nick McCleland of Sergeant Cecil. Sergeant Cecil's examination will be done in two parts: McCleland's examination and Jennifer Auger's examination. This will be part one. The following is a recording of the testimony of Christopher Cecil in the Richard Allen hearing. Attorney Nicholas McCleland. Call Christopher Cecil, please. Witness sworn in. Mr. McCleland, thank you, Judge. The court, you may proceed. Direct examination of First Sergeant Christopher Cecil. Questions by Mr. McCleland, prosecutor. Question. Officer, will you state your name, please? Answer. Christopher Cecil. Question. And could you spell that for the record, please? Answer. CHRISTOPHER Question. And how are you employed? Answer. I'm employed with the Indiana State Police. Question. And what is your rank currently? Answer. I'm a first sergeant. Question. So, First Sergeant Cecil, how long have you been employed with the Indiana State Police? Answer. Almost 20 years. Question. And did you go through special training and schooling to be a law enforcement officer? Answer. Yes, I did, sir. Question. And do you continue to go through yearly training to keep updated on current laws, policies, and those kind of things? Answer. Yes, sir. Question. What is your current assignment? Answer. So I'm the commander of the Indiana Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force. Question. And throughout those duties, do you have an occasion to take cellular phones or electronic devices and what we refer to as dump them, which means take the contents of all those devices and examine them for that information? Answer. Yes. Question. And is that something that you routinely do? Answer. Not routinely anymore, since I'm the task commander, but I did prior to that position. Question. Currently, you're the first sergeant who is working on the analysis, the new analysis of Libby German's phone. Answer. That is correct. Question. But you've done an analysis prior to this new one, correct? Answer. Yes. Question. Tell me about when did you do the prior one? Answer. I did the prior one in 2019. Question. Okay, and that's one complete? Answer. Yes. Question. You decided to do a new analysis of it? Why? Answer. New tools and then also technologies changed. So this was done in 2019. We're in 2024, and I know from experience that forensic software updates and gets better and can find things. Question. But the analysis of 2022, you did draft a report of that analysis, is that correct? Answer. You mean 2019. Question. 2019. Thank you. Answer. Yes. Question. And that report has been turned over to defense, is that correct? Answer. Yes. Question. And so I'm going to focus on that report mainly. Through that report, were you able to determine that there was a video on Libby German's phone taken on the High Bridge on the day of the murders? Answer. Yes. Question. And that video is the famous video that we know that has a bridge guy in it. Is that correct? Answer. That's correct. Question. And it's also the famous video where bridge guy says down the hill. Is that correct? Answer. Correct. And so that is the point where Abby Williams and Libby German are abducted from the Monon High Bridge, correct? Answer. My understanding is yes. Question. Okay, what I want to know specifically is what the time that the video was taken. Answer. So referring to my report here, question. Let me establish foundation for that. Answer. Go ahead. Question. What do you have in your hand? Answer. So I have a case report. Question. And is the case report one that you drafted? Answer, it's one that I drafted. Question, and was it drafted after the analysis of Libby German's phone in 2019? Answer, yes. Question, and it is your report? Answer, that is my report. Question, and you believe it's accurate? Answer, yes. Question, and actually it says Defendant's Exhibit 1 at the bottom. Is it something that was admitted in your deposition? Answer, yes, on May 15th. Question, okay, and it would help you to refer to this report to refresh your recollection. Answer, yes. Mr. McCleland, Judge, I'd ask the court to allow the witness to refer to the report to refresh recollection on the details of the timestamp on the video. The court, you may. Question, First Sergeant Cecil, can you take a look at the report and tell me the time, if you can find it, when the video started on the Monon High Bridge? Answer, so the video starts on February 13th, 2017 at 14:13 and 51 seconds, or 2:13 and 51 p.m. Question, and was there a location on GPS location associated with that video? Answer, so when the video initially starts, the GPS geolocates kind over near the Delphi High School, but then within a matter of seconds, it comes back to the Monon Trail. That's where it goes. And there were pictures on the Monon High Bridge taken before the video. Is that correct? Answer, yes, sir. Question, and you were able to recover those pictures? Answer, yes. And those pictures have GPS coordinates with them, is that correct? Answer, there. The pictures don't, but there are when Snapchat's being used, there are GPS locations when Snapchat's being used. Question, and so there are pictures taken throughout Snapchat and you're able to get a GPS location through Snapchat of those pictures? Answer, yes. Question, and they show the pictures were taken on the Monon High Bridge as well? Answer, yes. Question, and you were able to examine the pictures and the videos, is that correct? Answer, yes. Question, and in both the picture of the video, does it portray or does it show Abby Williams? Answer, yes. Question, and is she wearing the same clothing? Answer, yes. Question, and so you're confident the video was taken at the same location and time as the picture prior to it? Answer, yes. Question, okay. And again, give me the time of the video. Answer, so the time of the video, it starts at 2:13 and 51 seconds, and that's 2:13 p.m. on February 13th. Question, and when does it end? It ends 43 seconds later at 2:14 and 34 seconds, or 14:14 and 34 seconds. Question, and then you're able to track movement on the phone after that, is that correct? Answer, correct. Question, and that is through the internal functioning of the internal GPS of the phone? Answer, well, it has to do with Apple Health data. Question, okay, you're able to track movement of that phone. Answer, right. I'm not tracking GPS. I don't know where the phone went. I'm tracking. Question, just movements. Answer, yes. Question, at some point, does the phone stop moving? Answer, yes. Question, when is that? Answer, so the phone stops moving, same date, February 13th, 2017, at 14:32 and 32 seconds. Question, so that's at 2:32 p.m.? Answer, correct. Question, and through your analysis, have you been able to tell, did the phone move after that time? Answer, no, it did not. Question, and do you know how long did the phone stay on? My understanding from the examination, I'm currently still in the process on, it stayed on until sometime after 4:30 in the morning on February 14th. Question, and so 2:32 p.m. until 4:30 a.m. on February 14th, the phone never moved. Answer, correct. Question, and do you know where the phone was ultimately found? Answer, my understanding, it was found underneath one of the girls. Mr. McCleland, okay, just a moment, Judge. The court, yes. Mr. McCleland, Judge, I don't have any other questions. The court, all right. Thanks for listening to part 1 of the testimony of Christopher Cecil in the Richard Allen hearing. This part was obviously questions by Nick McCleland. Part 2 will be Cecil's testimony as he was questioned by Jennifer Auger of the defense. We'll see you next time on Deb's True Crime Notebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell for all notifications, leave us a comment, and share this with your friends and in some groups.